In this video, I will show how to create custom notification and alert bar for marketing promotions, alerts, increasing click-through to other pages, and so much more. So search this plugin WP notification bars, then install and activate. Using this plugin, you can create a custom notification for your WordPress website. So install and activate. Give it a try. Guys, if you need any help to learn how to use this plugin, so comment. I will create a new video about this one. So thanks for watching, and also guys, support my channel, and guys, check out my WordPress plugin series. So thanks for watching.